So how's everybody doing? Hungry? Hungry for your food or hungry for your mind? Food. Because I'm hoping that all of this has actually filled up your mind for now. I'm not going to take a lot of time. It's very nice to see so many enthusiastic young people here. What I like to call the digital generation or the gadget generation. Gadgets that are too complicated for me, though. Um, from what all we've gained here is what I wanted to summarize. You know, when I was a kid, I used to probably walk around in my underwear, wearing a cape, thinking I want to grow up to be Superman. And as you grow up, you realize the value of money, and I obviously wanted to become Bill Gates. What happens? My God was Calvin and Hobbes. Calvin is a 6-year-old kid who comes out with amazing philosophy. And I had a poster up in my room where he's walking all angry, and he says, I came on this planet to achieve a certain number of things. If that's how God made me, I'm so far behind, I may never die. And that's exactly what I thought, that I've come on this planet and I want to achieve certain things. So the road to becoming Bill Gates, there are 3 parts to it. The idea, the motivation, the planning and the strategy, and third is the execution, branding, and marketing. Ideas. I'm sure sitting here, meeting so many people, we all get different ideas. Every time anybody gets an idea, 50 people on the planet at the same time get the same idea. But they lose their path while executing. And that's what makes a difference. Motivation. You have to be motivated right from the start till the end. You have to keep telling yourself, if anyone believes in the power of positive thinking, the power of positive thinking actually makes things happen. The second, the planning and the strategy. The planning and the strategy is, I would say, the most important part. Indian culture, Indian business culture actually believes more on hunch, more than actually making a marketing plan. And that's what we need to do. Plan twice, just do once. The third part, the execution, branding, and marketing. It's a very important thing. Execution, of course, you have to be completely, motivated and, plan to execute. But the marketing aspect, I think my parents would have. Okay, let me put it this way: if anyone wants to market any product, they have a beautiful girl standing here, and my parents probably wanted to market me, and they didn't get a girl, unfortunately. So the next best thing what they did was they named me Bullet, a name that nobody would forget. No different cultures, no pronunciation problems, absolutely nothing. So that's marketing, and that's what we need to follow. So I hope that we've all gained a lot from this experience, and all the young people, especially the young future entrepreneurs. We are the future of this place, so let's make it big and bright. I'm just going to end with one saying that I follow, and I think it makes a lot of difference to a lot of people who do. Those who dream, they do. So keep dreaming. Thank you.
I'm going to quickly speak about my department in the organizing committee, and that was the selling bit. That's to raise the money and in collaboration with everybody else. So what I'd like to say is that I don't want this to end here. None of us want this discussion to end here. The whole thing is about to stop thinking and start doing. So I invite all of you to join our community on Facebook, and let's meet more often in person, because I think Facebook has made us very impersonal. I think what we need to do is meet physically and exchange ideas through physical conversations. So yes, thank you all for being here, and I think it's a brilliant journey. I think all of you should take up such an initiative. I mean, doing this, we got to meet all of you eminent speakers. I got to meet Fatima Bhutto in London, never imagined. Trust me, she's the most beautiful woman I've ever met, and that was quite a treat as a part of this journey. So we have lots of incentives, sometimes for us and sometimes for the others. So it's all about keeping yourself happy and doing things for the society. So let's not stop here. And now I'll just pass on this mic to the curator of this TEDx Youth Conference, Vaidhi Joshi, to do the honors. And then quickly, 1 minute, then you do. There's good beer, wine, all that you drink and all that you want to eat. No limitations, Vaidhi.
Hey guys, thank you very much. It's a very long and patient day. I won't bore you all for more than a minute, promise. I'll just like to thank TED for granting me this license to organize such an event today. I got to meet all different stakeholders. We've seen a lot of young entrepreneurs out here today. I thank you very much deeply. Thank you for all the patience that you've had with us in coordination, etc. I'd like to especially thank Tonsilage, Nielsen, Brand Potion, and ISEC for partnering with us for the entire initiative. It's really nice of you all to actually come and partner with for such a cause, and we wish that you all keep on doing this for all our endeavors in the future. Without all your support, this really wouldn't have been possible. I'll like to invite the volunteers who have slogged so well, and whatever you all have seen is a result of their efforts. I'd like to call Sundar Makhan, Aditya Paranspe, Ridvi, Osborne, Jehan, Jay, Jay, Aditya, and Mr. Sandeep Kadke. All of you all please come up. Okay, so this is our team, and we've been able to do this with the efforts of all of these people and definitely all the stakeholders involved in this endeavor. And I wish that the next one that we have a team not this big, but I think this big, so we'll manage to do something way beyond what we've seen this time. I'd like to thank all of you all and would like to declare this TEDx closed. Thank you very much.